Hi friends, welcome to my channel Loh. Today we will learn about the Arabic alphabet Noon. Noon is the 25th Arabic alphabet. Let's watch Noon. Hi, my name is Noon. 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 You can spell Noon in English as N-O-O-N. Noon. It sounds like the English alphabet N. N for nurse. Noon. How to pronounce Noon? To produce Noon sound, the front portion of the tongue will touch the roots of the upper teeth, creating N sound. Noon. Noon. The words starting with Noon are Nujum means stars, Naml means ant, and Namir means tiger. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye friends.